Hello, my name is Todd Cady, Athletic Director at Columbia High School. I'm joined by
Greg Carpenter, Athletic Director at Nampa High School.
Eric Bonds, Athletic Director, Skyview High School.
Today we're talking about the replacement supplemental levy and what that means to our community. I'd like to first start that a levy is going to help us continue current practices in regards to how we're taking care of our athletic programs. This includes transportation, current budgets, current maintenance practices, and continued uniform rotations.
Yeah, I'm excited about the opportunities that we're going to have to improve our track and tennis facilities that are much needed. It's important to our kids and our programs.
And I'm excited about the field turf that we have going into our stadiums. This will allow us to have more sports. It'll allow our PE classes to get out and do some things throughout the year. It'll be a lot of time saved, and maintenance saved on our fields because we put a lot of time into that, cutting the grass and fertilizing and overseeding. It'll cut back our resources. It'll give our resources time to do some other stuff at different schools.
In addition, this levy is going to allow for us to have the opportunity to host both regional and state level competitions and events, which could possibly lead to revenue generating sponsorships that will benefit the Nampa School District.
Guys, I was just thinking about the surrounding districts don't provide transportation for their sports and activities. We'll be able to maintain that, which is a huge benefit to our kids, to our parents, and to our programs. I'm excited about the possible that we'll be able to host district and state events. I think that's important to the city of Nampa along with our schools.
And I think with the field turf, it'll allow all three schools to bring soccer into their stadiums. It'll allow, like we said before, the band to come out, and the band can practice during the day, they can practice in the evening. So it's going to allow for a lot of different things.
I love the opportunity for our PE classes to be able to come out during the school day, get on that game field, and utilize it and take advantage of that area as well.
Yeah, and the last thing for me is the current levy allows us for safety equipment. A lot of people don't know about the things that we have to do with our football helmet reconditioning and things that I was able to buy. Padded helmets for our cheer team, because cheer is such a major event now that they have safety requirements that people don't know about.
So take some time, get out there, see what's going on in our district, read up on this, and go vote.